Hola a todos and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to explain some words and phrases that will help you if you know anything about Spanish but you go to a Spanish speaking country soon. These words, if you are in an area with not English speakers or people that don't speak any English, can help you get by with some very basic things. So first we're gonna see some phrases and the vocabulary and then some examples with these phrases. So first, of course, hola, ¿cómo estás? O ¿cómo está? So the difference between ¿cómo estás and ¿cómo está is that ¿cómo estás is informal and ¿cómo está is more formal. So you should use the ¿cómo está, the formal version, with people that you don't know, people that is older than you. They might don't care, but sometimes they do. So it's better to use the como está. And como estás with friends, with people your age or younger than you, usually, como estás, the informal version is okay. So if someone asks you that, you can reply depending on how you feel. Excelente, genial, muy bien, bien, podría estar peor, mal, muy mal, no podría estar peor, ni me preguntes. And then you can also ask them, ¿y tú? ¿Y usted? So, tú es informal and usted es formal, but both mean the same. They both mean, and you? Okay, so greetings. Hasta luego. Chao. Cuídate. Gracias. De nada. Por favor. Disculpa, disculpe. So in here, this is also disculpa is informal and disculpe is formal. Okay. Now, some more words. Y, sí, no, con, sin, agua, café, té, té helado, vino, limonada, jugo. Jugo is juice. Now, if you want to say a specific type of juice, like specific flavor, you say jugo de and the name of the fruit. For example, jugo de naranja is orange juice. Cerveza, comida, pollo, carne, pescado. Arroz, vegetales, fruta, ensalada, sopa, pan, queso, jamón, sal, azúcar, pimienta, picante, frío, fría, calor, caliente, hielo. So, as you can see here, there are three words that can mean hot. So, the difference here, picante is something, like it says there, spicy, okay, or hot, okay, like Tabasco sauce, that is picante, okay, which could be hot, spicy, hot. Now, frío can be frío, fría. You can say hace frío or hay frío. And for that, I would link below videos where I explain more in detail how to talk about the weather and the temperature. Now, calor, you can also say hay calor or hace calor, and caliente. Now, calor is the temperature in the environment, okay? Like it's hot. Like today is hot, it's sunny, it's summer, all right? And caliente is something is caliente, okay? Like, for example, el café está caliente. The coffee is hot. So that's the difference. Repeat again. Calor is to talk about the temperature in the environment, and caliente is to talk about the temperature of something, like coffee or cake. For example, the cake is hot. El pastel está caliente. Right? Now, hielo is ice. Some places, supermercado, tienda, restaurante, Now, to give directions, al fondo, a la izquierda, a la derecha, derecho, en la esquina. More vocabulary. Efectivo, tarjeta de crédito o débito, dinero, cajero automático. Nada, vamos, allá, ahí, allí. These three, they depend on the country. But in all countries, we understand all three. But in some countries, they use one more than the other. And we also have aquí, some verbs, ir, hablar, encontrar, llegar, salir. No sé, no hablo español, no entiendo. ¿Cómo se dice? And then here's some questions and how to reply them. ¿Dónde está el baño? Bueno, está al fondo a la derecha. So it's in the back on the right. ¿Dónde está? So the phrase ¿dónde está means where is. So now you can change el baño for any other place that you need to go. ¿Dónde está el restaurante? ¿Dónde está la puerta? Where is the door? ¿Dónde está María? Where is María? For example, so you have to there pick the word that you need to, but ¿dónde está is where is to ask about the location of something or someone. ¿Cuánto es? Okay, so ¿cuánto es? How much is it? People usually just reply with the amount. For example, for 14 pesos, which is 14 pesos. So ¿cuánto es? When we ask ¿cuánto es? It's because we're asking for the total amount of something. Let's say you go to a store and you buy 3 shirts and 2 pants and you ask for the total amount. Okay, ¿cuánto es? Like, how much is all of this? Okay. En cuánto cuesta is, for example, you go to the store, you see one shirt that you like, and you ask cuánto cuesta, and you can show the object that you're interested in. And people would just usually will reply just with the amount. Sometimes they can say like the currency, like pesos or dólares if it's dollars, or euros if it's euros. 20 pesos, 20 pesos. So yes, you need to also learn the numbers. ¿Qué hora es? So what time is it? Again, usually you reply or you just can reply with the time. ¿Qué hora es? 3:25 p.m. So p.m., p.m., a.m., a.m. Soy alérgico o alérgica. So alérgico is when you are a male and alérgica when you are a woman. So for example, soy alérgica, I would say alérgica because I'm a woman. Soy alérgica al pescado. I'm allergic to fish. Very important. If you have a strong allergy, learn how to say the thing that you're allergic to. And now you know how to say I'm allergic to this. Now, no me gusta, I like or I don't like. No quiero, I want or I don't want. No puedo, I can or I can't. So, for example, me gusta el pan con queso. I can also say no me gusta el pan con queso. Quiero hablar con el gerente. I want to talk to the manager. And here, by the way, is I like bread with cheese. I can find my passport. No puedo encontrar mi pasaporte. For example, so the noise in breaks because if you want to say no, then you say no me gusta. If you want to say that you like something, you just say me gusta. Same thing with no quiero, quiero, no puedo y puedo. No necesito, again, like in the previous slide, I need or I don't need. So, no necesito efectivo. I don't need cash. Más o menos, more or less. For example, más sal, more salt. Por favor, please, if you're in a restaurant. Ayuda, help. No sé dónde estoy. Ayuda, no sé dónde estoy. Help. I don't know where I am. And tienes means, or tiene, which is this is the formal version. Do you have? So that will be do you have? In this example, I said efectivo, which, as I mentioned before, is cash. Do you have cash? The answer could be no, pero tengo dinero en mi tarjeta. No, but I have money in my card. Or sí, tengo efectivo. All right, or yes, I have cash here. So all these phrases and more are going to be linked below in free interactive flashcards. So you just have to click on the link, register to the page, which is Quizlet. Just it's for free and it's going to take you like a minute or two, and you will have more vocabulary to increase your fluency in Spanish. I hope this was useful and see you next class. Adios.